Hi friends, in this video we are covering about what are the some common mistakes that we do in kitchen while constructing it or during the interior work. So this video is very helpful for those who are constructing their new home or those who are renovating their kitchen. Welcome to our YouTube channel Viva Interior Tips, where we are providing information related to interiors and construction. So first thing is chimney, which is very helpful in the kitchen because it eliminates the smokes that are generated during cooking. So earlier, traditional ventilation was designed using the natural airflow in kitchens. Homes in India used smart architectural features to remove the smokes like cross ventilation designs or open courtyard and high windows. And these traditional kitchen ventilations are replaced by mechanical ventilation system. So then came into the picture there's electrical chimneys and exhaust fan. Nowadays, exhaust fan is replaced by electrical chimneys only. In electrical chimneys, we have got varieties of types that are available in the market. So among that, which is best for the kitchen, that I'll be telling you right now. Chimneys we'll get two types. That is, one is called the baffle type, and another one is called as baffle filterless chimneys. So in baffle filter chimney, it is a significant advancement in the filtration technology. The baffle filter chimneys are suitable for heavy Indian cooking, and but filterless is required for moderate cooking. And coming to the maintenance part, regular washing is needed in baffle filter and very low maintenance in filterless. Slanted chimneys give a modern stylish look, but it's very costlier and it has got less suction capacity compared to the traditional flat model. Slanted chimneys fails to absorb the smoke and drafts, but the flat got double the suction capacity. If you're going for a heavy frying tadka and the deep oil cooking, flat chimneys are best. Indian cooking baffle filter chimney with auto clean technology is generally best offered. A good kitchen is more than just a place to cook, it is the heart of the home. In such a kitchen, families love together, cook together, and they share meals happily. A space where both body and mind feel nourished. Yes, safety is very important here. The type of plywood you use in the kitchen is really a crucial. The entire kitchen's interior gets spoiled over the years. It may be due to a termite attack or due to swelling of the wood. So it's very important to use proper plywood for doing work in the kitchen. Yes, kitchen is a place where the usage of water and the fire will be more. You have to select the correct type of plywood. Now comes the important point. Which type of plywood to be used? Usually we refer to moisture resistant, that is MR, or boiling water resistant, that is BWR, is used in kitchen, especially in the carcass works. So what is this boiling waterproof plywood? It is nothing but the highest water resistant plywood grade. It can withstand water, steam and humidity. Also, it can withstand termite and resistant if it's branded one. Then strong load bearing capacity will be there and long lifespan. And it's suitable for wet areas. Another thing I want to bring it to your notice is that there's another type of wood which is called as high density moisture resistant board. They are nothing but the engineered board made from the wood fibers and resin. It gives a very smooth surface. It is ideal for laminates. High screw holding strength will be there and uniform density will be there. It's termite resistant provided if it is treated. This can be used for the shutters of the kitchen, wardrobes, TV unit, and dry interior furnitures, areas which are away from the direct water. But these are not suitable for constant water exposure. Can swell if it is soaked. That is, they are heavier than the plywood. So, ideal premium kitchen combination, what we can conclude is for cabinet carcass, that is inside structure, we can go for BWP plywood, and for the shutters, we can go for HDMR board. That gives durability, perfect finish, and cost balance. For more information on construction and interiors, please subscribe to our channel. In next video, we'll be covering some more interesting topics about the selection of accessories that are required for a kitchen. Thank you.